What is mindset? What exactly is the meaning of the term mindset? So you might have heard about this word mindset from a lot of people on the internet, and you might have searched as well, and you might have seen a lot of videos on mindset as well. But let me tell you one thing, nobody in animation industry is talking about mindset while teaching the students, while mentoring the students, while coaching the students. They are just focusing on developing the animation skills. But what about the mindset? If you don't know, if you don't have the right mindset, then how it is going to impact your career and your life as well. Hi, my name is Naresh Chaudhary and I'm India's first passion animator mentor. If you're watching me for the first time, then check out my other videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel for receiving all the further updates. I have been in the industry for over more than 8 years. It's been 10 years total. So I have seen that there is nobody who's talking about mindset. Even I did not know anything about mindset and how does it impact. But now when I've learned how the mindset works and how it impacts your career and your life, now I can relate that in my past times why I was not attracting the right job or the right opportunities or the salary hike. So we just keep on blaming people and blaming other stuff that this is not happening right, this is not happening right, that is why we are not getting the right job, or there are so lack of job in the animation industry. Let me tell you, there is no lack of job in the animation industry. It was there earlier because earlier the industry was growing, but now in India the industry is growing very fast and there are a lot of opportunities. And today's time, if somebody is telling you, if somebody is blaming people and other things that I am not getting a job, like even after being good at my work, then there is a problem at the mindset. At the mind level, there is a problem. You are not thinking correctly. You are not thinking about yourself correctly. You are not talking to yourself correctly. So the self-talk also matters. How you talk to yourself when nobody is around. How does a wrong mindset impact students? So students generally learn when you go to any of the colleges or institutes, they will teach you the skills. If I talk about the animation industry, they will teach you the skills. How to animate, how to do modeling, how to do texturing. You will come to know about how to do things, but you will never come to know about what to do. If you don't know what to do, then there is no use of learning how to do it. You must know what to do. That is how you can enhance the performance or whatever you are doing. You should have a reason why you are doing that. If you don't have a reason why you are doing, then just you know that how to animate or how to model, you will not make it correctly or to an extent which is needed or which is very extraordinary. So to reach at the highest level in whatever you are doing, maybe in animation industry or whatever you are career in. So if you want to reach at the maximum level, then you need to have the mindset at the right level. Now people blame. I have seen a lot of people blaming other stuff because I can relate that because I was one of them. Earlier I used to blame things. I used to blame on such basic things like when I used to travel by road, by a vehicle, by a two-wheeler, and I used to blame the government for the roads. So that was not the right mindset. That is why I was attracting so many bad things at that stage, at that phase in my life. And if you see me now, in just 6 months, I have attracted so many great things and so many great people in my life. Why did it happen? How did it happen? Just because I learned that how to put the mindset at the right place. So if you are someone who are good at something but are not attracting opportunities in your life, then mention your name in the comment box. I will help you out. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want more information on mindset, comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.